Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about myEcon and specifically how to rank up and make a lot of money. Now, big fat old income disclaimer, my friend, results not typical. So guess what? Don't be typical. But as a myEcon Infinity, I can tell you that it takes three specific things, and I'm going to break them down for you in this video, and I'm going to walk you through each one and show you examples of exactly what I'm talking about. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you're looking to get started with myEcon or just looking for more information on myEcon, make sure you watch this entire video and also check out the links in the description down below. So let's break down those three elements that you need to rank up and make a lot of money with myEcon. Number one, you need a high converting offer. Now, just sharing your myEcon affiliate link is cool, but you want something that is going to sell the entire process, meaning it's going to get people excited about making money, and it's also going to get people interested in the products and services that myEcon offers. Now, with the funnel team, which is my specific team, also one of the fastest and largest growing teams inside of myEcon, by the way, we have done for you sales funnels. We have done for you capture pages, which is the highly converting offer. We've built all of that out for you. And when you join our myEcon team, we actually give you the sales funnels for free. Now, these are sales funnels that focus on different levels of coming into myEcon. You have the $20, $40, or $100 way to join and get in. And our sales funnels reflect all three of those. So we have one sales funnel that is aimed at the low ticket $20, and we have another sales funnel that is aimed at the higher ticket $100. And obviously, based on our team growth, both of those funnels convert very, very well, and they cover all of the bases and let the average lead know exactly what they're going to get when they join you and myEcon, because the highly converting offer tells the story. It ensures that people that are watching it know exactly what they're going to get. They're going to get funnels. They're going to get marketing. They're going to get a done for you system. They're going to get a proven business, which is myEcon on the back of the funnel. So they're going to know, again, what they are getting, because it is a highly converting offer and it brings a lot of people onto our team. We're talking hundreds of members per week, and this is documented and proven to work. So that is number one, highly converting offer. Now, number two, you need great training. And although, yes, inside of myEcon, they offer training for all of their services, which is great, we as a team provide you with incredible training. Now, we have our own team training site, and we also have an app that you could use. So not only are you going to get done for you sales funnels, we're also going to give you the training to show you one simple process. So making money online and making money with myEcon is really three simple things, right? You get your link, you share it, you earn commissions. And that process can be very, very overcomplicated in the network marketing space, or just making money online in general, whether you're an affiliate marketer or a digital marketer. But the process is really simple. You got to get your link, you got to go share it, and then you earn money when people go to your link and they join. It's that simple. But we don't want you to get lost in all of that minutia that is out there online that tries to tell you to go do 17,000 different things. It's really simple. And we show you with our app and with our team training site exactly how that works. Now, the app and the team training site are literally one in the same. Basically, the training site is the desktop version, and the app is everything that's in the training site on the app. Plus, in the app, you also get your sales funnels. You also get to follow up with your leads in real time, meaning when someone goes to your sales funnel and they go in, you get notified on the app when someone's watching your sales funnel, and you can follow up with them, literally text, call, or email right from the app. So it makes following up really simple. And in our training, which is step two right now, what we're talking about, you're going to know exactly how, when, and where to follow up with your leads, what that looks like, what to say to them, how to say it. All of those things are going to be covered inside of the training. And that leads us to the third aspect of what you need to be successful inside of myEcon is people, which is also known as duplication. Okay. If you don't have duplication, it's basically just going to be you, and you could be a one man or one woman show, and that's great. You could make money bringing people in the door. but you will never make the big money because you do not have duplication. People need something that works. Now, over the years, I've seen people do a lot of crazy stuff inside of myEcon. You know, they rent mansions and Lamborghinis and make everything look all cool and flashy. But you got to ask yourself, is that duplicatable? Can the average person go rent a Lamborghini or go rent a mansion and shoot all these cool videos with videographers and editing and everything? Can the average person go do that? No, you need a system that is duplicatable that the average person can plug into. So in order to rank up inside of myEcon, it's actually very, very simple. To hit all of the ranks, you really only need 2 personals, and you just need a certain amount of people on each leg as you're growing your team. And it does not take a lot to rank all the way up to the top. Now, when I got started many, many years ago, it was a lot different. You needed a lot more people. Now it's a lot easier. And when you have the right system, when you have the right training, when you have a highly converting offer, it makes hitting those ranks and reaching those income levels a lot more attainable. But at the end of the day, number 3, if you don't have the people and they're not duplicating, then you don't have a team and you're not making as much as you possibly could. So I hope these things make sense. If everything I'm covering makes sense at this point, do me a favor and comment the words down below, makes sense. Also, if you made it to this point in the video and you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, like this video if you got value from it. Now, lastly, if you want to see exactly what our team does, you can hit the link in the description down below, and I'll send you over to one of my tutorials where I walk you through the entire process. If you're ready to get started with myEcon, link in the description down below. You can go grab that. Pick your level, come in at 20, 40, or 100. It does not matter to me. Just get on the inside, my friend, because I promise you it is much better to be on the inside versus standing there on the outside looking in. Thank you for watching, my friend. I will see you on the next video. Take care.